Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So today's video is going to be a loungewear. I got a few pieces from MISSGUIDED. I actually got 7 that I'm going to be styling from Monday to Sunday. I just wanted a few pieces that would make me look cute when I go out to the trash or when I'm in the queue at the grocery store. I just wanted to feel cute because I really don't have anywhere to go, and why not? Okay, before I get into this video, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with this two-piece set I have on. I got this in a size 8 and they're in this ribbed material. It's not very thick, it's very airy, so you can definitely wear this throughout spring and summer. The top has this elasticated bottom that you can pull down if you don't feel comfortable showing your belly, or you can pull it all the way up if you've been working out in the gym and you want to show off just a bit. I really like both this and the skirt. The skirt is quite long. It comes all the way down to my calf. I'm going to show you guys, but it comes all the way down to my calf and it's in this bodycon material, so it's very fitted. And yeah, I really like it. I mean, this is what I plan on wearing for a Monday, so this is what I'll be wearing. I really like the charcoal grey colour, but sometimes it gives me a little bit of blue, but that is fine. I like it still. The next item I got is this jumpsuit, and it's in this camel color, but it comes off as green. I say green, orange on camera. I got this in a size 8 as well. I hope you guys can see it's super long and it has pockets in the front, so that is cool, and it has a zip in the back. Guys, I'm already loving this, especially the pocket detail at the front. And even though it has the zip at the back, you'll be fine doing it on your own. You don't need anyone else to like help you up, so that is fine. And it's in this ribbed material and it's super soft, super comfortable as well. I definitely see myself wearing this out a lot. I feel like this might be my airport swag. Should I buy the black one as well? I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I really want this and the black one just to like switch it up in between. But what do you guys think? Leave me a comment below. But I'm really liking this jumpsuit, guys. It's super comfortable. Like, I'm at home lounging and looking cute at the same time. So I picked up this green sweater dress in a size 8, and for some reason I picked this up because I associate colours and the days of the weeks like together, if that makes sense. So green is Wednesday, so yeah, I'm gonna be trying this on. This is the dress on, and as you guys can see, it's quite oversized and the length is not bad. It's quite decent. It comes up to like mid-thigh. Most of the time when I'm at home, I like to go for like oversized tops or oversized jumpers because they're just easy and more comfortable. Like, you don't have to worry about shorts making you feel restricted. I kind of wish I picked up the dress with like a slogan on it or something else because it's kind of basic. I know it's for home, but I kind of wanted a little bit, you know, something to give a little bit of oomph. But that is okay. I still like it. It's just your basic sweater dress, and yeah, you can't go wrong with this. I picked up another sweater dress, but this is in this camel color, and it's quite cool because it has a corset in the middle, so that is something extra. So this is the dress on, and guys, can I say it was a struggle to get into this dress, especially with this corset part. No, it was just a struggle. I couldn't even get like one shoulder in. I had to keep pulling and pulling. But anyways, I have it on now, and what do I think? I think it looks cute. I wanted to get this in the blue initially, but then it ran out, so I had to get this one. But you know what, I'm feeling this one instead. It's super soft and cozy as well, and the cool thing is it has a hood that you can pull up. Yeah, that is the hood. It's super cute. That is it. I feel like what would make this dress really cute, but I'm not sure, if it had like pockets. If it had pockets, it would be really cute. But yeah, this is the dress on, and guys, now I have to struggle to take it out, to take it off. The corset is really cool because it cinches in your waist, so it gives you that hourglass figure. Even though you're at home, you still need to look cute, you know. So yeah, I like this. It's super cute. What do you guys think? And also, I know I said that it was a struggle to get in, but then also it made sense that the corset has to be like, you know, fitted. The panels are not too restricted. They're very flexible, as you guys can see. Look, it's very flexible, so it's okay to lounge in. I picked up this grey cycling shorts in a size 8, so yeah, let's try this on. Well, I need to cut it first. This is a set on, and guys, I think I'm liking this as well. The top is super cropped, but then the shorts come up really high, and then the band is super thick as well. Oh, and there's no gaping at the back, so that is a plus for me. So I'm gonna step back so you guys can see how long it is. I definitely see myself wearing this like go workout outside because it's super cute and it's all covered, so you don't have to worry about like showing too much, you know. So I like this. So I picked up another corset and I picked this up in orange in a size 8. I think I found another airport outfit. I really like this. Like, so the top has MISSGUIDED printed on it as well as the shorts as well. Yeah, I like when you can't see the brand as much because I'm not one to be buying like clothing with like, you know, flashy designer or like the labels just like hitting you in the face. Like, I don't like that. I like when they're very like tiny. I just find them more appealing to the eye, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so I really like this as well. It's very clean. And again, I like how high the shorts are, and you don't really need like any drawstring to make it any tighter. It fits perfectly. The only bad thing I can say is that it's a bit see-through. I don't know if you guys can see the label, but then I can just cut it and I cover it with my shirt as well, so that is fine. So for Sunday, I picked up this black knitted leggings in a size 8, and I picked up this really cropped top. It has this twist detail at the front. There's the items on, and guys, so when I picked up this top, I was working out like that week, so I worked out like 2 times that week, and I thought I saw improvement. So yeah, that's why I got this top, so I can show off my, you know, my newfound abs. But yeah, so I like this top. It's just a simple black top with a very low cut, and the material is different from the leggings. This is more of a cotton feel, and then the leggings is ribbed. It has this really like large panels, but large rib details. I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna pull it up so you guys can see. Can you see it? I'm not sure about the leggings because it's not as fitted as I wanted it to be. It's quite loose on the yeah, it's quite loose on the ankle, as you guys can see, so it's not really like flattering on me. However, it's quite thick and warm as well, so I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be keeping this. But yeah, I picked up this super long cable knit cardigan in a size 6 to 8. So yeah, this is for when it's a bit chilly outside and you're going out. So you don't really have to pair this cardigan with what I'm wearing. You can wear jeans or you can wear a dress, then you're good to go. But it's for when it's cold outside. But yeah, this is the cardigan. It has pockets here, and I don't know how I feel about this because it's giving me more of a morning robe kind of feel. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this, but this is it up close in this salmony peachy color. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you. And also I have a little surprise item for you guys. Hold on. I also picked up this TLC shirt in a size extra small, but I got this from the men's section, but this is actually from ASOS, guys. So yeah, this is just, I wanted to show you guys because it came in today and I'm just super happy with it. It's super cute and I like the colors as well, very tropical. So yeah, I just quickly changed into this t-shirt so you guys can see how it looks on. It's quite boxy, but like I said, I got it from the men's section. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also want to say that I'm not coming on here telling you guys to spend your money. Please spend wisely. I like to film these videos to give myself and you guys a little escape from reality. So yeah, that's why I like these videos. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and stay safe, and I'll catch you guys later.